Welcome to Team B Farm. Today we're gonna go to Seaside, Oregon with our grandparents. Yay!
Oh, it's a cat. I was thinking it was a crab.
It's a foot crab.
I was thinking it was a crab because we were beach crab, you know. What's your cat's name, Bear?
I don't know.
Spot the beach cat. I like it. We don't get this many nice days at the beach where you can be in shorts and a tank top, or shorts and a t-shirt. What did you find, Bear?
Look at this big old... There's no crab. Put it in this bucket.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Part of going to Washington Beach is you always find crab shells. Lucky to find sand dollars, whole sand dollars. Here's a part of the sand dollar. You're lucky to find a whole sand dollar, but there's always crab pieces laying around. What are you girls gonna do with a crab?
We're gonna bring it home. We're gonna bring it home.
You're gonna bring it home? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have lots and lots of crab pieces.
Lots and lots of crab pieces. It's a perfect day at the beach. Oh, somebody left their garbage? Okay.
Bob took care of it because it would make these animals sick. So they would think it's prey, and they would think and if they ate it, it would make them sick.
Oh, uh-oh, the tide came in. Uh-oh, we're over here by these tide pools, and Bear's been spotting all kinds of sea anemones in the rock. As soon as the water goes back out, Bear, we'll get them on camera, okay? Oh, you can kind of see them down there through the water.
Oh, yeah. And,
there it is.
I can see this one, too.
Where's one more? Oh, good spotting.
Mom, look, that one's alive. That thing's alive. That one.
What is it?
You know, the rocks, and there's a bunch of crabs under the rock. See this one?
Oh, there he is. Hey, little
Oh,
crab.
I see one.
Is he gonna scurry away?
And now let's go look for it.
There was a big one under that rock too.
Let's go see if we can find another.
There he goes.
Bye-bye, crab. See this rock?
You ready?
Not that one.
Not this one?
Yeah, look.
Oh, look, there's a ton of them.
Can you pinch you? But now this one.
Oh, there he goes. Which one? This one?
Yes.
Here we go. Ready?
See this one?
Oh, look, there's a big one. Is he alive? Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy. They're everywhere. Good job.
Our battery died before we could film the whole day. But we had lots of fun building sand castles and playing in the waves.